Our next topic is relationship between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. Consider a quadratic polynomial that is 2x square minus 8x plus 6. We have a polynomial, quadratic polynomial. We want to derive the relationship between zeros of this polynomial and the coefficients of this polynomial. So let's start. We know that the zeros of this polynomial is 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are the zeros of this polynomial. Now we will use alpha and beta as a symbol of these zeros. अभी क्या करेंगे, हम जो zeros है इसके लिए हम symbol यूज करेंगे alpha and beta. So we can say that alpha equals to 1 and beta is equal to 3. Okay, these are the two zeros of this given polynomial. Now remember one thing, ax square plus bx plus c is the general form of a quadratic polynomial. Here a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant term. In this case a equals to, in this polynomial a equals to 2, a is the coefficient of x square. Now b is the coefficient of x, so in this case b is equal to minus 8, the coefficient of x. Now c is the constant term, that is plus 6. Okay, so if we find sum of its zeros, means alpha plus beta, then we get the value of alpha is 1, so 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 will be 4. So this is the sum of these zeros. Now product of its zeros, that means alpha into beta, 1 into 3 will be 3. Okay, so what we observe here is sum of its zeros. If we find the division of minus coefficient of x and coefficient of x square, so we get minus sign as it is, coefficient of x, that is coefficient of x is minus 8, minus 8 here, upon coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square is 2, so minus of minus 8 upon 2, so we have plus 8 upon 2 means 4. As we can see here, the sum of its zeros with the help of alpha plus beta we get 4. Similarly the same answer we get here by finding this formula. So we can say that this alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Now b is the coefficient of x, okay, minus sign as it is, coefficient of x is b, so we write here b, and upon coefficient of x square, that is a, so minus b upon a. As we observe here, sum of its zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Let's write here alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. This is the first relation between the zeros and the coefficients. Now another one, that is product of zeros, alpha into beta is equal to 3. Now product of zeros can be found with the another formula, that is constant term upon coefficient of x square. As we can see here, the constant term, that is c, and coefficient of x square is a. So value of c is 6 upon coefficient of x square, that is a, and a equals to 2. So 6 upon 2 will be 3. So as we can observe again, this 3 alpha into beta is equal to c upon a is also 3. So we can write here product of zeros, that is alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. This is the second relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of the polynomial.